since I'm too lazy to do work tonight, plus I don't have a lot of time. I want to go to bed. I gotta go work tomorrow, so it's gonna be a quick video. What do you call it? I have something I picked up on Scamazon. First, I'll show you this because, you know, I like rockets. I don't care about the politics, but SpaceX sending big rockets. See that? I bought a SpaceX keychain for whatever, and it says remove before launch. I thought it was cool. I got this one from a yard store. It says remove before flight. Maybe it needs a little wash, but yeah, it's falling apart. That was cool anyway. Next, I gotta show you is down here. That was just a little sample of what the hell I got. Put this down a little for you. Can you see the little thing? First, I got this. It's I should do like what do you call it? What's his name there? Skullcrafter, and get a little what's that called? Lazy Susan. This looks exactly like a vice grip, but it says, I don't know if you can read it, Cummings tools. It looks like shit, and it looks like it has like some kind of black coating on it. I don't know. It was a locking plier. I thought it was cool, so I bought it. I'll probably vapor rust it. It looks like it was in the bottom of a river. I don't know if I have a small one here to compare it to, but it's the same quality as a vice grip. I bought it. I think I paid like $4 for it. Yes, I bought vice grips. Like I need more. But these are identical, like the rivet style. So it's 5 inch. Let's see if like Subway, it's really 5 inches long. See if my 6-inch sub is really. Oh my God, Becky! Look at it. Who the hell measures 5 inches? Look, from front to back, it's 5.5 inches. So was it 5 inches from here to here, or 5 inches from the bolt? See, like from here to here, it's a little over 5.5 inches. Nobody knows how to measure. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll move on to another one. Thanks for watching. Click the button over here, click the button over there, click the button up there, like, subscribe, do a little commenting, and thanks for watching. Thanks.